defense stocks are up today. As India and Pakistan tension they surge, my colleague Kanishka joins us with the key takeaways from the Motilal Oswal report on the aerospace.
Well, absolutely. In a recent session hosted by Motilal Oswal, Captain Vishal Kanwar, who's the managing director at PwC Advisory India, he shed light on the growth potential of India's aerospace and defense sector, which has been in the spotlight since the Pahalgam attack last week. Now, defense stocks have been witnessing an up move since. Now, let's look at the key highlights from that discussion. Remember, India currently spends about 9% of its GDP on defense, but as the expert points out, there's a need to push this figure to about 4%, which is in line with global peers like Germany and Japan. This is to meet both national security imperatives and indigenous technology needs. Now, the Indian aerospace market is also gaining momentum, led by DPSUs like HAL, Bharat Electronics and Mazagon Dock shipbuilders. Meanwhile, private players like Tata Group, Mahindra and Bharat Forge are also making their way in the aerospace manufacturing space. However, the sector still remains at a relatively early stage compared to India's Army and Navy programs, especially in the indigenization and engine technologies which still rely on imports. Now, looking ahead to 2047, as the expert points out, India envisions becoming the third largest defense spender globally, increasing its defense capex allocation as a percent of the budget from 22% to 40% and boosting R&D spending from 1% to a massive 10% of this expenditure. Overall, a very positive view coming in on the domestic defense sector, which PwC's Captain Kanwar believes has a huge scope of growth over the long term. In the near to medium term, he believes that the government will have to take a balanced call on domestic manufacturing of bigger platforms and imports.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.